Hello everyone. In today's quick JavaScript lesson, we'll learn how to get the current website URL using just a single line of code. Ready? Let's go. Knowing the URL of the page your JavaScript code is running on can be crucial for many tasks, such as analytics, navigation, or simply displaying it to the user. To get the URL, you can use the document.url property. This property holds the complete URL of the current web page. Let's log it into the console or display it in an alert box. Here's how you can use it. Just add alert document.url to your script and it will pop up the current URL in an alert box. When this code runs, you'll see an alert box displaying the full URL of the page, like https example.com. Simple and effective. For those who love ES6 syntax, you can achieve the same result with the template. Literals. This approach is cleaner and often used in modern JavaScript. The document.url is a read-only property of the document interface, and it gives you the complete location of the document as a string. And that's it. You've learned how to access the current page's URL with JavaScript. It is a simple but powerful tool to have in your coding arsenal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick and useful coding tips. See you next time.